It's this particular story no two parts. Now this particular video no part 1. Now part 2 no mo busia Afenyo Markin aso aye shepa ni nyina fa about 2 days ago press conference about concerning the arrest of Abronya no. On say or can send be Emma sebe na no ko tia the agenda 9 court judge no and the agenda 9 court itself or slander both the court and the judge. Na eno sakasro kan ye no because media na so asem aba ho. Ghana Bar Association, that is the lawyers, Ghana Bar, I can't Ghana Bar, lawyers Association of Ghana Hanomona. Almost issue press statement on that. Ama lawyer Bakavomawo Oliver, also Abekasa. Felix Akokoa, presidential spokesperson, also Abekasa. Now, verse no, Enshira TV journalist, Bakoso Abekasa. Remember when Chirimuno actually was in the area, Mame, our comment section. I PENYAH broke me. The message say any demo. Oba like video now that my voice subscribe button, somebody click the notification, connect latest update, somebody check the wide that mama comment section. Oba so no share first on your be ashwe. So yen nyina wa ha no mo ene hu de esi ye e Ghana ha concerning the arrest of Abronya. Ni nyina say Abronya after say I on in the case with IGP no ekwawe na oba ye no. Just Abronya chire mu say ye de ne call the agenda 9 circuit court, that is Adenta circuit court no no. Atemu ana air course na how we see dia asem ni bibia no oh hwe atemu air course no mo ne otemu afọ otena adwamu his honor Justice Samuel Bright Akwa o say di na atemu eba ni bibia ono do believe say judge no sebe oye political judge na that court no as a political court just say it is doing the bidding for NDC but not it is serving in the interest of NDC but not in the interest of Ghana at large. How I say, Abronya can that in same way if a court no and a judge no and I'm so Emma court as there be ye here Abronya bra never to let you say what's I'm say 80 CID for criminal investigation department almost on after Abronya but unfortunately Abronya copy hono no omo esizi na say omo eche no omo fa ho the man arrest what I say ya ba won ajunia ye che no no call the Accra Circuit Court hono the Adenta Circuit Court hono and no call ye. But what for just there be Abronya no kan no hye ye fa ne nkotwe BNI for ekukumo till say ye bedi asem no awie they say or remand omo remand no in the BNI custody until say ye be hwemu eni bibia awie just say ye ja Abronya hwa okwa asem na okoka ye no obesa akoka bi ha ko ogoka bi kura asa ka ho etiwei edam so ma Afenyo Markin ebufu ye it won't be a press conference. That was Monday. No, press conference here, no. Now, Afenyo Markin was looking at the charge sheet, no. And they said, "I tell you, coil." Now, Afenyo Markin, a journey and a buffo mono or can send baby. And what can see say? A seminar Abronya kind and Trimogenous action, no, or no, so a repeat. That's sorry to say this. That's political judge and that political court.
That circuit court 9 judge, I have no respect for him. For a judge to say that he's remanding Abronya into BNI custody until the case is finally determined, such a judge can never have my respect. I pray that he summons me for contempt. I will continue to disrespect him until he upholds the law. He's gone beyond his judicial function. And it is not his first. It's as if he has been selected purposely to achieve this. He doesn't talk law. I don't know whether he ever passed his law exam. It's a shame. It's a shame on the judiciary. And my Lord Bafuboni must pay attention to this. For whatever it is, it's about his legacy. I'm told by December, he will be 70 and he will be gone. Is that the legacy he wants to leave after Tokonu was booted out of office? And all manner of accusation leveled against Tokonu. Is that the judiciary? The judiciary, they said they were going to reset. Is that the reset? Where a judge will say he is remanding an accused. Because if he allows him to go home, if he grants him bail, he is likely to talk again. So he should remain in custody. In fact, at first, his pronouncement was that Abronyo should go to Insawom until the case is finally determined. He's already prejudiced the outcome of the case. And this man says he's a judge. I should respect him. No way. And some fool say, papa.
What I say? Afenyo Markin every PT with anger any other day. Am I telling you now? Can say Omupa they can file a contempt against him. Filing a contempt against Ebia I want to contempt as Mamin Tribuchi. Because Ebia what contempt. Mamin Tribu Ebletri. You can't a contempt, I mean say ya chini dodua. Said the kwa in fear, we say ya chini dodua. Wakasa amon ano akogu Chief Justice Akunya Hufi, and I say Judge Akunya Hufi, and I say Wakasa Akogu Court Hufi, etino, ya chin dubia, a him fear, say, oh, my child dying, and I ya chin dubia, dubia na child nebia, for punching you bra, for you for some you bra, sanity, I say, but court the friend of contempt, it dubia cheer in Trino, the English, and the contempt. A African him say, as soon as all can be, you bet much in dubia, all right, you bet me at in dubia, say, ombre me no, silent as a court. A political court, not judge, so a political judge. Now, and soon after your marking, a kind of one say a contempt can be filed against him. No, and also, a lawyer, Oliver Bakavomawo, Agina, Emeki post, Facebook, or tear for your marking, or say, Debbie, after your marking, you've gone too far, you've crossed the line. Oliver say, after your marking, across the line. Now, I know, now my first that air call on. The Ghana Bar Association said there be omumremu because and seven of you marking a can and so eti omumremu e metrebe myself when traffic ko Afenyo Markin. Afenyo Markin to me for the kasa de openya no ho de e say Ghana ne dia o ntimi je kokota ko Ghana ha omumekasa and I'm so ma Ghana Bar Association obi PRO that is Xavier Kuze e ko pie mo asase radio so na ho no e de ode ensem ko to ja o chirem said there be and seven of you marking can in fact it is unethical. Unethical in the sense that morally it is wrong. Morally, and Afenyo Markin it is wrong. Now there were so many, appellant system. There are so many appellant system. In case a court assem now when you're okay with the outcome, I say when you're okay with the judgment, the court rulings now. Over to my federal case to any of these appellant or any of these court of appeals, to the appellant system or the Court of Appeals, but Afenyo Markin ever publicly ever cast a say and try a Ghana Bar Association condemning the action of Afenyo Markin. Can say there's a statement that Omunyan sign the Omer sign not Omu the Bible as this meant no it is about Afenyo Markin. Obi and him say Omer sanction no so bend then there. One but or can say there is an unsigned statement very soon about Bontine. Now and also Anna Akokoa of Enshire FM. Abekasa.
As a lawmaker, we are MP, experienced MP in Parliament. Afenyo Markin, it is childish and quite inappropriate to use those words on a judge, knowing that you are a lawyer. Obi a we a lawyer ni. Sabe, and it doesn't reflect the experience you have and the knowledge you have as a lawyer and even a lawmaker in Parliament. Said you usika say no Afenyo and say we experience. If you think a judge, I am from so which I disagree with. Said ye do obi be shemu ansa na yedi na asem. I've stated my position earlier ansa na etiakono. I stated say me omo nya adwene wo say yede obi betwere kukumwa konsi ebedi na asemwe se nipa no nyane nko ba bia okromu ha yenim no ne worry about ne ade a even se osusu so obedwane kura obetimi asizi ne passport no ma ne ade a na nipa no atimi afesi mra na kosi se bia bebo no na se esi wodam a wodam dance yede ne betwere mu ne ade a maka ho asem ha but the words are Afenyo Markin we use ye ne e boje so. And you have people there, the kind of insults, any impunity, I would done inappropriate words I will use as a lawyer and somebody who knows the law. Yeah, bojo so na ya would. and you think you are doing something right. There we are na foot soldiers adwuma. Foot soldiers. Foot soldiers. Omo wase ho no. Beji 50 cedi koto aduane, beji 20 koto aduane for no omo de sa ma no mani abigigigigige wo kasa sebe onwene hu nko akiri do be keka bibia bi. Omo na ya taba comment ase be di atem no. Foot soldiers omo adwuma. This atem didie ne de wo just a minority leader of that caliber, any who experience as a lawyer. Okosa, if you think say judge no air, and I said your way any you're wronger, the law gives you an opportunity. Say ube to me appeal, and I'll be passing through the proper legal processes to address this. Than just that public insults, ni attacks, ni sa disrespect. I want say we ye. Obi hwe okra ohun say we minority leader na say we as a normal full soldier kasa na kasa yen. Go where the days go honorable Osei Mensa Bunsu time. Papai as a minority leader. So ojina or criticize and answer or argue. You see that sense of maturity. Honorable Osei Mensa. Now ma onokra ne point na ye attractive. Or count or chew any more Kenyans as some power. We begin one question. We say, Papai, Sabe, Ebikura, we do attempt about who's we do attempt. Nyansa sem kanim di sem kana Osei Mensa Bunsu di afrana sem na ka estate no court laws. They backing asem. That days are not those days are not Ogusua. Those days are not Osei Mensa Bunsu. A minority leader no. Accra was a majority leader. Look at how he handled parliament. Look at how he led. And then Afenyo leadership no one standard. One standard. We know what you are up to. So we say adena akono anko ye anye in your favor. What does the law says? Edi akwanya na wom se musumutimi ye. One thing I know, they say, what was wrong yesterday can never be right today. Time when I in DC for every judges new unanimous FC. What some of us even condemned, you know. Now also Afenyo Markin who condemn. When they were insulting the judges, Afenyo you criticized, you condemned. Into what has changed today? If insulting judges yesterday was wrong, today is still wrong. You can disagree. Judgment, you bet me I disagree. But going ahead, insulting and attacking like this, as a minority leader, and you'll be a keke, my party ni bimpu. Keke, and Kasa, a full soldier, say Juma. What you did yesterday was wrong. It's wrong. You can express your displeasure, and it will be any. But you yourself, go back and listen to Abronye. Tape no itself. Edika wo be wo refine wasem no shepu ne kama. A criticizing ye is it obi etie wa unza say so aggressive atemdidie na dia, but rather you had a point. And so the way they communicate no you're wrong. Then my words to you, they say, as a leader of parliament, even in a time of criticism, criticizing but what you did was low. It was below belt. As a lawyer, so we you say, and why say, I want the judge to cite me for contempt. Now, so why would you say, Bradimuno, I dare now, oh, criticize no yen in such a way, say, Ebema who bass, and no be a become and answer much of contempt. And you are we leader, no, we say no, dear na full soldiers, no, so wait in India. It's too bad. Maka, message yan rano, and to me, your papa ne. And I still say that. Say ya insisa. Na ye di say ya wo man no nya de say betumpon. Maka wa I disagree. But the way you are talking about it, no, and how you went personal on the judge, it's wrong. As a leader of parliament, one lower the standard of leadership. in the MPP minority leadership. Nekope honorable save Chairman Sabunsu videos nibi time of parliament. They say what one said the rules he lead no. Nekope neshe ko archives ni nekope neshe how he led and even party issues ba say Chairman Sabunsu be ginessing PS no kasa go and listen. He disagree, he criticize, but with much sense of maturity. I will feel it say papa ya o ka say asem we de atoma kuma so SMT enya kikira asem no ekwahin yankasa ekwahin shameful for you to talk that way. You can just appeal or you push the legal process up. Enya quite too many ekoso sa na say oman no sebe yenhedam ya yibia
na fe no Felix Akokoa so no ababe kasa
also a prominent member of the GBA or an officer of the court and a worker's assembly, and yet up to now wouldn't put them as a consistency. So I knew who said, I dear Cocoa, I dear Chita. That's all I'm calling for.
Very well, very well. Felix,
but after the fact that people should be able to express themselves freely, me, I endorse it fully, but kind of publicly. In fact, if the one you mean, go back, what can I say, John? I think 2012 or so, after elections, no?
Yeah.
He was heard before the Supreme Court. And so, I cannot repeat it here. After that, I think his sentence was commuted, and I said he was pardoned, if I'm not mistaken, even though he was convicted.
Yes, he was pardoned.
Yes. I publicly said so. I didn't think that it was necessary for us to go that left. I said so. Position in terms of free speech.
No. To be fair to you, yes, you've been consistent in that position.
Yes,
but
so
I think
I'm calling for consistency on the part of those who expressed disquiet in the past.
But I think one thing you also can do now that you are in a position of power is to probably initiate conversations around what do we do with Section 208, which is still in our statute books, because at the end of the day, as long as it is there, the police is empowered to enforce same.
Even the entire constitution of Ghana is undergoing amendments. In fact, last week, I announced cabinet was considering the draft position paper
committee. Okay.
In fact, many can say we've done the first part, but the laws will be engineering. That's also in the weeks coming. So, as for amendments of laws, if it ever becomes an issue, then repeal these two sections. Me personally, I will not be opposed to it.
Very well.
It doesn't mean say there will not be safeguards to ensure. Say, for instance, people can say, we are Kenya, Faba, Nafoku, Kenya, I don't know you can't tolerate it.
And they were across the line. Yes. Yes.
So maybe it is in those instances that we take action. But anything below that, they will express an opinion, whether harshly or mildly, about the working of an arm of government and a public official there. I think it should pass. That is my personal view. And I've said it publicly. I've also said it privately for those who know me.
Very well.
It will catch yourself. Video we no part 1. There was a part 2 because Afenyo Markin so I reply. Sound of we na Oliver Bakavoma Ghana Association PR no Akokoa any Felix Akokoa. Why you play over you na? Wait for part 2. I PENYAH Media.